guys, Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2018 Kia Optima, stock number 7267. It's ran for 25th of the 1st, 2020. It's a G4KH 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, but by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4KH 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter with our AC controls, aftermarket touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,